Welcome to the JMB YouTube channel. So today we are going to fix this SAM server MySQL error. So you can see there's error. So let's first run Apache, then you can then MySQL start. Yeah. Then you can see there is a error generating MySQL shut down unexpectedly like that. So this because there is a running task in task manager. So fix that. You can go task manager and then find the where's the proper task running task MySQL task you can see. Okay, let's maximize this. Okay, and let's find it, and there is yeah, MySQL running task there. You can see the, so simply in this task, yeah, in task, then let's again go to the task manager. Then let's try to run this MySQL. Yeah, start, and you can see attempt to start MySQL app. Yeah, it's working properly. Okay, let's see. Yeah, yeah, it's working and it's fixed. So let's meet again in new video. Thank you everyone.